dot them, minus 1 over my 1 minus 1, sorry, in the fourth, minus 2 in the third, 3 7 and 6 8 in the first. Okay, then what we have to do, find the distances. Here firstly find all the lengths of the sides, so then we will have some idea about what the structure may be. Okay, let's start. First is AD. AD is what? Distance formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is 3 minus minus 2 means 3 plus 2 the whole square plus 7 plus 2 the whole square. Solve this, you get 106. That is square root of 106. AD is square root 106. Next AB. So x2 6 minus 3 the whole square plus 8 minus 7 the whole square. That is root of 10. See, here you can take any one x1 y1 and any one x2 y2. Okay, so either sometimes I may take this as x1 y1, sometimes I may take the other one as x1 y1. Okay, BC is what? 6 minus 1 the whole square plus 8 plus 1 the whole square, because this is minus already over here. So 5 square plus 9 square 106, square root 106. DC is what? Minus 2 minus 1 the whole square plus minus 2 plus 1 the whole square, right? This one, this. So you get root of 10. So one thing you see, root 106, root 106, root 10 means opposite sides are equal, right? Therefore what? It's definitely a parallelogram, right? Only now we have to find whether it is a rectangle or no. So let's check for rectangle. How? If the diagonals are equal, then only it will be a rectangle. If the diagonals are not equal, then it's a parallelogram. So find AD then. Sorry, find AC then, because AC is a diagonal. So 3 minus 1 the whole square, this x2 minus x1 the whole square plus 7 plus 1 the whole square, that is root 68. Now BD, 6 plus 2, 6 minus minus 2 means plus 2 the whole square plus. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.